from Chair.
Chair. Honorable Kibagendi, we are doing this.
He's the one who should behave himself. He's the one who should behave himself.
We'll ask you, you made your point. Leave it there, let the chairman proceed.
You proceed. Don't allow him to chair this meeting.
I am chairing this meeting, Honorable Kibagendi.
You are intimidated by this man.
I'm not intimidated. So let this exchange not between me and you. We can actually ask you to leave.
I can actually leave.
It's okay.
I can actually leave.
It's okay.
You can't live by borrowed values of the political.
You should not be this committee. You should not be this committee. I will write to the speaker.
You write to the.
We will write to the speaker.
Produce evidence that are on our. You are the one who should not be in this ministry. Your company is stealing from Shah.
We will write to the speaker. You should not be in that committee because of conflict of interest.
Honorable Kibagendi out.
You cannot be in this committee.
Escort the Honorable Kibagendi out.
I'm leaving. You are living with borrowed values.
Order, Chair.
Now, Honorable Cynthia, let us proceed.
Honorable Chair, you know, the shouting match has been perpetrated by Honorable Kibagendi and the CS. It is utterly unfair for you to send Honorable Kibagendi out and have the CS stay here. Because there were the two of them. It was a shouting match between two people. It is unfair for you to send one member and leave the other party on shouting. You cannot do that for me. It is unfair.
Let's take the next step on that one.
I fear no one.
Let's take the next step.
Nonsense you're bringing to this country.
Honorable Kibagendi, that's fine.
You should not be this
Waziri, proceed and read your answers, and now do not interact directly with any other member.
Who are you? You think you can...
Chairman, we will write to the speaker. This gentleman should not be in this committee because of conflict of interest.
I have going to go
Let me take this. It is not in your place on how this meeting is conducted.
Thank you, Chair.
Now, go and read what you have allowed you to read. Do not make any comments or any direction of any nature.
Thank you, Chair. We will tell the
Proceed.
people what is right.
Proceed.
But Chair, I agree with you.